Okay, this is kind of like what I see out here. Okay, I live like on a high rise. Okay, I live at the top of the motherfucker too. Okay, so it's like I get to see these birds. So like right now, and they only come like maybe 3 or 4 days. Now today we got freaking bald eagle up here. Okay, it's a freaking bald eagle up here, and so like what he's gonna do is he's gonna swoop down on the trees and they take like the birds. They take the birds, and then it's the saddest thing in the world because you see the eagle. Usually it's crows. It'll be like 6 or 7 of them. They come up like once a week. There's a part and they fly off with them, and you'll see the mama bird chasing them after, trying to save them, but they never save them. But yeah, now today we got a hawk up in this motherfucker, and you can see he's not fucking around. He's here for a reason. He's cleaning his wings off and everything. So I don't know if I'll be able to catch the actual murder, because YouTube doesn't give me that much time. But it's about to go down. This shit about to go down like a drive-by. Watch this. I might not be able to catch it. It might take too long, because I don't know how long he's been sitting out here. But you watch. He's not here for no reason. He's not here for no reason. Okay? He's about to take some shit out. Watch. Let me see. Hope I can catch it. Okay, now we got another little bird just landed over here. Okay. Here we go. Now you already know he's sitting up there. That's like the cop sitting down. No, like you can't go home. You gotta stay out. But yeah, that's the cop right there. He's just waiting. Let's see if he's gonna make a move. He may not make a move right now. I'm gonna do a whole new bird series when I see this massacre going on out here. See, what they like to do is they like to catch the birds when their wings are wet. That's why he's like trying to like get his wings dry right now. That's why he's not attacking yet. He's trying to get his wings dry. You see, like all these birds, they've been getting rained on all day. So it's like he knows that they can't really fly that fast. They can't defend themselves. The nest is all messed up and everything. So that's when they show up. I might not be able to catch this. I may not be able to catch all this for you. Let's see. He's trying to dry his wings off, so I'm gonna let it go for a minute and just see what happens. See, that's a mama hawk right there. So, oh shit. Okay, here we go. Now we got another little bird just flew up right next to him. I hope y'all can see this. Oh, yeah. No, don't do that. Don't do that. Don't. See, that bird right there is trying to distract. He's trying to distract the hawk from the nest down there. You see that? See how they're trying to okay, it's on. Now it's about to be on. Okay, you see, now you got 2 birds up there. They trying to distract. They like, get the fuck out of here. You see them trying to distract. Cause the nest The nest is like, let me see if I can show you. The nest is like, it's like down there. Okay, it's about to be on. Okay, see the birds trying to like act like, come get me, don't go down to the nest, right? You got two of them now. Okay. Now watch this. Watch this. See how they trying to like distract them? Hope I can get this whole thing on video, because sometimes YouTube won't let me go past 10 minutes. It depends. But you can see that bird is like, yo man, come after me. Get out of here. Okay. You see that? Just attack that motherfucker. He just flew right through that nigga. Did you see that? Alright, now you can see they starting to make noise. The eagle. Okay. I don't think the eagle's feathers are dry enough yet. So he's just like, I'm gonna wait and see what goes down here. Watch this shit. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. Okay, it's quiet again. The eagle is, y'all probably can't see this, but the eagle is like drying his feathers right now. He's trying to dry his feathers because he knows he can't fly at a good rate. So, let's see what happens. I'm gonna do this for like 3 more minutes and then I'm gonna turn it off. Let's see. Never thought I would be a bird watcher. Not in my wildest dreams. But these motherfuckers are interesting. Man, this shit is more interesting than TV sometimes, man. This is trouble. Normally you just have like this guy right here, he's not fucking around. This is the kind of bird that will pick up your dog and fly away with it. This is not a small bird, okay? Might look small on the thing, but no, it's not small at all. It's about probably from your elbow to your fingertip. At least, I would say probably bigger than that. It's probably about the length of your arm. Yep. Fucking bald eagle, man. Okay, let's see what happens here. Let's see if he can get his wings dry. If he can't get his wings dry, he's just gonna sit there and wait. Okay, now you got the other bird coming back. Okay, not a good idea. Not a good idea. But he's trying to save his kids, you know what I mean? So he's like, what, nigga? You see what I mean? He's down there like, yo, get the fuck out of here. You don't live here. See that little bird? He's like, yo, man, I'm defending my shit, man. Yo, get the fuck on out of here, man. All right, we got 1 more minute. I think that's probably the month. Okay, now you got 2 of them back over here. They like, yo, something's wrong. Something's wrong. It's about to go down. 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 Here we go. 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 It's fucked up because it's like the mama hawk is like trying to feed her kids. You know what I'm saying? Like, what is she supposed to do? You know, she don't want to kill the birds, but what's she gonna do? She gotta feed her children, just like they gotta feed theirs. It's a vicious chain. It's a vicious chain all the way up to us. Somebody gonna die. Somebody's about to die. Right now. Watch. Or the hawk is gonna leave. Cause the little birds are so tough. They're so tough. Let's see if they can chase them away. He's like, get the fuck away, yo. Like, come on, man. Get the fuck out of here, yo. Now, keep in mind, this bird that's talking shit is like 4 times small, 10 times smaller than the bird that he's yelling at right now. See how they got away from the nest? The nest is all the way down below. But they trying to distract them up here. Come on up here. You see what I mean? Watch this shit. Hopefully YouTube will let me publish this after going over 10 minutes. Watch this. Is he gonna attack, or is he gonna... Okay, now you got the mama bird is pissed off. She's over there by the nest now. She's trying to stay away from the nest because she don't want, that's a hard decision to make, you know what I mean? Both the parents, they left their chicks in the nest. And he's trying to get the hawk to chase him. Now they both left the nest. Now what's gonna happen? What do you think is gonna happen? Now these birds over here trying to act like their nest is over there. See? They're like, nah, our nest is over here. And that hawk is like, nope. It's right down below me. They over here yelling. Trying to get them to come over there. They're trying their best to distract them over here. Come on over here. That hawk is like, no, it's right beneath me. They're screaming their head off over here. See him up there on top? See him? Now he's gone. Where's he going? He's trying to go somewhere else, but now they left their nest. They left the nest. They left the nest. So I'm gonna cut this off now because what's about to happen is kind of graphic. I may do some more graphic videos with the birds when they actually snatch them out the nest and fly off with them. But I'm not gonna do that today. It's a little bit much. Anyway, hope you enjoyed the video, and let's hope this guy doesn't swoop down on the nest today, you know what I mean? Let's hope.